much for you guys to join us today. This is our first cooking session with Miss Lee, who's going to be our chef today.
Hello.
So Miss Lee is actually a Mandarin Chinese teacher here at Orange Ulster BOCES. She teaches high school Chinese 1, 2, and 3 this year. And there's also another teacher there, Miss Tan. And Miss Tan is a Chinese teacher here at Orange Ulster BOCES that teaches middle school Chinese 1, high school Chinese 2, and 3. And then in another location, we have another teacher, which is Miss Leslie. Miss Leslie, hello. So Miss Leslie is not doing the demonstration today. She is cooking with us, but she'll be doing some demonstration later on in the year. Okay, so I'm gonna, pass the torch on to Miss Lee. So she will be doing the demonstration and explain to you how to make egg fried rice.
Hello, everybody. Hello, welcome to our cooking series. I am one of the Mandarin Chinese teacher. My name is Danny Lee, and today we are going to make 蛋炒饭. So here, 蛋 is egg, 炒饭 is fried rice. Okay, so 蛋炒饭. So first, let me introduce you some ingredients we need for today. Okay, so first, egg fried rice. First, you need egg, which is 蛋. So one serve, I guess 2 eggs. Okay, so first, eggs 蛋, 鸡蛋. And then you need 饭, which is 饭 rice. You need chilled rice. Okay, so leftover rice will be perfect because it doesn't contain a lot of water inside, and when you cook it, it will not stick together. So chilled rice is the best. Okay, and then you can have some vegetables, mixed vegetables if you like vegetables. You can have some. You can also have some ham if you like. I very like ham, so I have some ham prepared. And also, you need salt, sugar, optional, and sesame oil. Okay, so that's all we need. If you have everything prepared, and let's get started.